Welcome to this video. Today it is Tuesday 19th of December 4 p.m. GMT. We're going to be looking at a couple of high odds trade setups in our view. We're going to the charts in a moment. They are USD CAD and CAD JPY. Now we've looked at both pairs in previous videos, particularly USD CAD, which has been one of our favourite pairs over the last few months to trade. And it's done really well for us, well over 650 pips so far, but there's plenty more upside in USD CAD in our view. Now in terms of CAD JPY, since that's come on our radar, it hasn't really done much at all. But in our view, it's getting ready for a really big break to the downside. It should easily be 500 pips in our view, possibly even more. Now, in terms of, just for new viewers, we'll just be going to the charts in a moment, but what we're going to be doing is using very simple technical analysis to really focus on the big levels that matter to key players in the market. So we're backing up our view of the charts with our favourite tool in Forex trading, which is the COT Net Traders Positions. If you don't know anything about it, you can click our mailing list and we'll send you more details. But it's a great tool in terms of detecting the best entries, setting your stops, and also setting ambitious targets, which you can't do just technically. Now we're going to go to the charts, but keep in mind this is my view as of right now. It can change in line with the market conditions. If you want our full trading techniques and our daily technical analysis of major Forex pairs, simply click on the link beneath this video. Right, let's do USD CAD first.
Right, we're on the USD CAD daily chart, and first of all, just before we draw some levels, just want to look at the COT Net Traders Positions, and what we can see is the speculators have 3-to-1 in terms of their bearish over their bullish positions as a ratio. Commercials 2.2-to-1 in terms of bullish over bearish positions. The divergence between the groups is 5.3. It's not at an extreme, but it's still very high historically, okay? And this for us points to more USD strength. Now, in terms of just very quickly, what I consider to be the bearish CAD fundamentals, interest rates favour the USD. Current interest rate differentials also. The Bank of Canada is on hold for the foreseeable future. The Fed are going to tighten, okay? So interest rate differential should move more in favour of the dollar. Also, crude oil strength has not firmed the CAD. Now, in terms of crude oil, I've just done a video on it. I think there's going to be a big breakdown in crude very, very shortly. It's going down a long way, a record speculative net long position in it. If crude goes down, so will the CAD. I think the CAD's going down anyway, but I think crude could really give the dollar a push to the upside. I also think we've got the potential for risk off, which is going to hurt the CAD. Now, in terms of just interest rates at the moment, just so important in terms of how central banks are acting. Just minor hikes can cause big moves. You can just see it here. Bank of Canada rumour and hike number 1 sends the USD down. Little bit of a rally. Hike number 2 comes in and she goes down. Market then basically starts to look for more hikes from the Bank of Canada. And after this hike, they said they probably weren't going to do it. Just for new viewers, this is where we took our initial position down here, where the COT reached a 5-year extreme, and we came in and bought. And basically, we've been favouring the long side since we've made that important bottom. Now, in terms of what's happening recently, we're getting a trading range. And you can see there, not really much volatility here at all, is there? When you get low volatility, that normally points to a big move. And I think it's going to be to the upside. And the best way to get in is via breakout. Now, that's just the 129 level, just good resistance at the moment. And if it goes above 129, 129.30, I think, the USD should follow through strongly to the upside. Now, we do have support at the 128 level. And if you notice also, you've got the 20-day moving average, couple of candle bodies there and a couple over here as well. So that's good support. Okay. Now, on a breakout, where could we go? My own view is these Bank of Canada rate hikes that push the USD down, well, USD is going to recover all of that ground. So my first target is going to be 132. Okay. And then really what I'm looking for is a move back up to 135. I really don't see any reason why the USD shouldn't get up to 135. Yeah, there is potential for risk off coming, in my view. Yeah, being fairly risk on. And I just feel that will also hurt the CAD. Where would you put your stop? Well, if you're buying a breakout, got one level of support here, really. Then you've got the 20, 128 level. Stick it back at 127.60, I think would be a good level. And then just see if she runs. Yeah, for me, the fundamentals clearly favour the USD. CAD favours the USD. And I like low volatility sideways and looking for a breakout. So see what happens with this one. It's been a great pair for us over the last few months. I'm hoping it should continue. Hopefully. Right, let's now move on to CAD JPY. CAD JPY daily CFT net traded positions first, which look really interesting to us. Speculators 7.7 to 1 in terms of bullish over bearish bets. Commercials 6.1 to 1 in terms of bearish over bullish bets. Divergence 13.8. Regular viewers will know we always like a divergence above 10. It normally points to a significant move in favour of the commercials. Now, we did the CAD fundamentals where we looked at the USD. I just want to look quickly at the bullish yen fundamentals, because this is what the commercials are seeing. Okay, stimulus by the Bank of Japan is at its maximum. Okay, we got the Bank of Japan tomorrow. No one expects them to do anything other than saying they're keeping monetary policy as is. That's it. Okay, I got a feeling Bank of Japan might throw a little bit of a surprise. I think they might be a little bit optimistic about the future. And yeah, they might hint at stimulus reduction, or at least curtailing manipulation of the yield curve, the long end. Okay, market isn't expecting that. Bank of Japan have got good reason to do it. Economic growth, you've had 7 strong quarters of really strong growth. Tight labour market. GDP is really good. Business confidence is high. Inflation is on the rise. And the Bank of Japan might decide to just basically be optimistic. And they know they've got to wind stimulus back. They also know it's hurting regional banks, which Bank of Japan Governor Kuruda has actually already talked about a few weeks ago. So, if the Bank of Japan is expected, blessing the price, but I think we could get a bullish surprise. Also, if we get any risk off, the yen is the #1 safe haven. Okay. Now, in terms of the price action, we did top out here. We've come down. This rally here is when we did our last video. We haven't done much since then, have we? We've just sort of travelled slightly to the downside. Now, you've got 2 options in terms of the way to come into this one, in my view. You could come through this level, which is around number 87. Sorry, let me draw my line straight. So you probably come in like something like 86, 70. See if she runs to the downside. I'm going to put 2 positions in, and my first position is actually going to be through here. I don't normally do this, actually. I just feel there's no more buying left in the CAD of any significance. So I'm going to come in through 87.30. And then, if we break 87, I'll add in another position. Okay, so I'll have 2 in. But I want to come in with 1 now, just to basically hopefully maximise my profit potential. I just feel we're going down now. Trajectory is down. below the trade-day moving average. Ever such low volatility, that points to a big move. Obviously, I think it's going to be to the downside. Stop, I think, can be back behind this level, 88.80. If we break through, 86.70, then the stop could come down a bit tighter in my view. I'd go probably to, sorry, I've drawn it on the wrong candles there. I meant to go up there. Sorry, I'm having a problem with my lines today. 88.40, okay. So where could we go? Well, my own view is we will go at least to 82. And I expect to see the CAD move in to the 70s. So from current levels, it's 530 pips. Now, obviously, we've got to get to the level I've just indicated. But that's COT extreme. Just points to a big stop it as speculators. Yeah, just going to get rolled over. Yeah, we've got, for me, bearish CAD fundamentals, bullish yen fundamentals, got the commercials on our side. I think it's a good risk to reward trade, so we shall see. That is the video for today. Thanks for watching me. Take care and have a good day.